Yo folks, you see this little knoppy here? It's missing a bolt. Let's go fix that. This is a bracket we gotta fix. New bracket. Forgot to mention, reason why I do this, because the second one is missing the nut. This looks weird. I mean, guess not bad, but eh. Make sure we're gonna clean it there, because why not? You see it's all dry. So yeah. Also, forgot to mention, an Allen key, tree, like this. Little ratchet and a little extension. Win M6, Allen key. Gets the job done. All clean. I do get myself some buck cleaner and like some quick detailer at some point. I'm gonna look around for that soon. Now let's get the bracket off. Deadbolt, deadbolt. See if we can keep this cover. Because I like that. So we'll see. Bracket is off. Click it down in those holes. It's also a spacer. It goes underneath these bolt patterns. So let's see. This Puig windscreen, touring edition, if I recall correctly. It's a bit warped, a little bit outdated, dry rotten. So the offer replacement. Let's see if it fits on now for this little Puig screen. Also, with the mounting hardware. So there's some difference. Obviously this has the Z750 in it, which I really like. So I might just swap these out if possible. Even though the finish on this one is really nice. You can see it in the sun. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up proper. Kind of sparkly. And one is more like a flattened tone, like glossy paint. Even. Also different. Both fits through it though. Sits snug. And this one a little bit deeper. Okay, we'll see. So, the bushings fit in. Swap them over to that one from this one. So this one I will not use for now, because I do like this Z750 in there. It's a little bit like rusty. I have to probably repaint at some point. That's the thing for later. So, I'll put all the bolts together, like 4 of these. Everything comes included. Let's see how it fits. As you see, it's right on there. It's loosely still now. I'm gonna tighten these one down. Then mount the windscreen back up. See how that's up? So, as you can see, it's loosely on now. But holes line up. Same look as before. Just a black nut instead of the white nut. Let's mount it together. And it should be done. Okay. A little bit of rain. It's a little undecisive weather today. I do like looking at the sky though. When the sun is nice. Anyway, screen is on. Like, all firmly. The washers. Let me see if we can get on camera there. Like they snuck together. All at the same time, so all good pace. So it's solid now. We'll check them later as I go ride the bike again. Make sure it's still tightened. Make the gap here same as before, like underneath. So yeah, should be good. That was it. Rate it. All fresh again. Hope you liked the video. Maybe it helped in any case. I mean, quick and easy. Can't be that hard, but still. Also, they came with those little knobbies to protect the bolts. Nice little add-on. I'm not sure if I'll keep them on, but it's nice to be included. See ya!